This hose right here is bad. It's just all torn up and it's leaking, making a mess, kind of dry rotted and everything, so I'm going to replace it. Power steering line. I'm just going to pump this out. This car takes Dexron ATF fluid, automatic transmission fluid. I'm just going to pump as much out of it as we can here. So try to keep it from making too much of it. Actually, what I want to do is I want to try to siphon some fluid out of there so when I pull this hose it doesn't leak all over the place. If I can do that, I'll do that. So I'm going to actually cut this off because I'm going to replace the hose anyway. So I really don't care if it messes the hose up. Try to bring it rag because it's going to spill some. Guaranteed it's going to spill some. Stick this right in there as far as I can. Try to pull some of that out. The more I get out, the less it's going to leak on me. Alright, let's get this off. Like I said, this is getting replaced, so the easiest thing to do is just cut it off of there. Pretty long. New hose. There we go. Get a hold of it. Now we're good. Let's get my clamps back up here. Clamp on. Okay, some fluid. Let's get some fluid back in this. We'll start it up, make sure we get any air out of there. I said this takes Dexron ATF. Pretty full. Let's go start this up. Right there. Right there. I got lucky. We'll keep an eye on it, but I don't think it's going to leak now. I think it's going to be fine. I think it was just really, the hose was kind of cracked and dry rotting a little bit, so You know, it is a 24-year-old, 24-year-old car, so probably original hose. Not now. Now it's good.